Hello Queens and welcome back to another 25 Days of Queenmas here with moi slaying the game. Once again, you already know the deal with that, darling. So today I wanted to do a DIY. Now I saw this a couple months ago and I thought it was a really good idea. What we are going to be doing is taking 2 fish bowls. They had 3, but I'm going to take 2 because the top is going to be this ornament right here. I just think that's a little cuter just to give a different feel and not have all 3 glasses filled with the same thing, you know what I mean? This is very simple, very easy. This literally probably cost me around like $20-25, not that really that bad. Just a good centerpiece on the table if you're having a Christmas party or anything like that. So I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I got. So I got 2 fish bowls. They literally were like $1.50, I think. I got this little ornament. It actually is an ornament that hangs on a tree or outside or whatever. Thought this was really cute as like the headpiece. Then I got these candy cane ornaments. I already took off the ornament piece and I actually got 2 of these. One, I was going to use these as arms, but then I decided not to, and I took this off and this one kind of ripped, as you guys can like kind of see right here, you can see it. But then I decided I'm going to put it around the fish bowls. And then because we're going to fill the fish bowls up with like a scenery, I got some iridescent snow, and then I just got like the little village people. I got a snowman, kids throwing snow, and then a Santa Claus. And then I also did get a tree. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. I am actually going to get my laptop lap table and I'm going to flip the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. Also, if you're wondering why there's a blanket right here, it's because there's presents underneath this and this is like my present area, so I had to cover it up. So what we're just gonna do is take the fish bowl. We're also going to take the snow. We're gonna open the snow and just pour some in. You don't want too much. You just want enough to cover the ground. This is gonna get everywhere again this year. I'm actually gonna put more than this because it's not really that much. Okay, that's plenty. So then for this top, this is going to be the top tiered. So I'm going to put this little tree in there, cover that up with snow, and then I'm going to put the Santa Claus with the tree because he has a bag of presents and I just think that would be cute. Okay, so this is what the first one looks like. I think honestly on its own, it looks really cute. You could easily put this out like a little waterless snow globe, and this honestly alone would be cute by itself. So we're gonna put this off to the side and work on the first top one. Oh, and I forgot to say, I have these 2 cotton balls that I'm actually going to glue on the fish bowl. I don't have a hot glue gun, so I have a candle over here with wax that I'm going to try to wax it on, but this will just like be the buttons, and I think that would look so cute, and I just dropped it. All right, so going on the second one, you're gonna fill it up with snow again. And then this one, I'm going to add the snowman and the kids playing with snowballs because I think that's a cute little scene. I should have added the snow last because the fishbowl only has a small little bottom where they actually can stand up without falling, so probably should have thought that one through, but we are making it work, girl. Okay, so that's what it looks like. There's a lot of snow in there, but honestly, I don't mind it. I think it looks really cute. They're like in the snow playing, and I think that's just really cute. What we do now is we add the top glass one to this one, and you have a stacked kind of snow globy feel. And then for the top, like I said, we're going to use this ornament, and it's just going to, oh, the tree is too big. Add this to the top of it, and it already looks like a snowman. I will tilt the camera up a little bit when I'm done. So right now I'm going to actually disassemble this and put on the cotton balls right here just to make it look like it's an actual snowman. Okay, that wax thing failed. So what we're going to try next is using tape. We have hot glue, but I can't find it. So the last is going to be some tape. The best probably tape to use is double-sided tape because you only need a little piece, and I'm gonna try to do a little piece on this. So this kind of worked. I mean, it would probably be better with hot glue or, like I said, double-sided tape. But that's basically the feel I want to go for. So we're going to do the other one before this one falls off and show you guys the final product. All right, and then to add the final touch to it, we're using this kind of candy cane, but we're not going to keep it as a candy cane. I actually made it in a circular motion. This isn't really that circular, but this is going to go around the middle of the two fish bowls to make it even with the top and make it actually collectively go together. So I'm going to show you that in a minute after I kind of round this out more, because this is just not round. Okay, and this is the little DIY. I probably can round this out a little bit better than it actually is, but this is a cute little DIY snowman. I actually am kind of living for this. This probably needs eyes, and I forgot to get eyes because I'm a dumbass. But honestly, I'm going to show you what it looks like on like a TV stand, but I freaking love this. Like, this is so cute. Would be a cute centerpiece. Honestly, you can do whatever you want on the top and bottom. I really just wanted to go with the snowman scene and then the Santa Claus to tie in with the red and the white theme that is going on with this DIY video. So let me put it on my new TV stand and see what it looks like out displayed. And that's going to be it for today's video. I think that's super cute. It's super easy. You can honestly do whatever you want. You can decorate more of the sides. You can add arms. I forgot to add the face. I forgot to get things to add the face. But honestly, I don't mind it faceless because you still get the snowman feel. And I like the fact that I put the belt around the middle because that honestly collectively adds both pieces to it. And honestly, you can switch these out every year. You can do different scenes. It's just so versatile and so easy and so, like I said, inexpensive. And it's just a really good DIY. So if you like this video and if you do this DIY, DM me photos, tweet me photos, Instagram me photos, anything, and give this video a thumbs up if you did like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I post more videos. And until tomorrow, queens, you better go out and you better slay those bells.